So this is my aquarium now. This sand, as you will call it, I got from here. It's just shall not name, but it's brought new life to the whole thing. Looks plenty different, a lot cleaner, prettier. I like it a lot. I think that those are pink peacocks, I'm not sure. Got them from a friend. And there goes my annual resident, Mr. Crayfish, who for some reason takes a mighty liking to me and is always coming here to look for me. And the Grammys down in the back, and the plant that was unrooted. And where are those guys? There. There's one guy. Anyway, what are you doing? Get that up as a residence home? Where are the others? I need a super autofocus camera for these guys because they don't stop moving. What? That's that.